Baseball by James J. Metcalf. The game of baseball is the king of all the games we play, and it is one pursuit that is distinctly USA. The people swarm into the stands to watch their favorite teams and munch their hot dogs when their lungs are not engaged to screams. The pitcher hurls the horsehide and the batter gets a hit, or else the ball goes sailing and some fielder smothers it. A clever runner steals a base, a player takes a walk, our managers and umpires decide to have a talk. The crowd is gay or gloomy or completely in suspense, but it goes wild when someone knocks the ball beyond the fence. My name is Austin Greco, and this is my favorite poem project. This poem represents my life. As I keep reading this poem, I realize how lucky I am to have the opportunity to play this game. It has been so much more than just a game. It has taught me to be a leader and to accept failure, to thrive on success. And I realize how great this game is. I realize that through successes and failures, this is a great game.